வணக்கம். கதிர்மணி பார்வைகள் உங்களை வரவேற்கின்றது. இன்றைய தொகுப்புகளை வழங்குவது PF இன்பன். முக்கிய பார்வைகள்.
ராபர்ட்சன்பேட்டை பகவான் ஸ்ரீ மகாவீர் ஜெயின் கல்லூரியில் 16/9/2021 அன்று நடந்த உலக தற்கொலை தடுப்பு தினத்தில் டாக்டர் வினோத்குமார் அவர்களின் சிறப்புரை உங்கள் பார்வைக்கு. அறுசுவை மிக்க பிக் பைட் ரெஸ்டாரண்ட், கிருஷ்ணாவரம் தங்கவயல், BML ஆலமரம் கிருஷ்ணாவரம் செல்லும் சாலையில் புத்தம் புதிய வடிவில் அறுசுவை மிக்க மீன் வகைகள் கொண்ட பிக் பைட் ரெஸ்டாரண்ட். பல வகையான உயிர் மீன்கள் மற்றும் ருசித்து சாப்பிட, வகையான மீன்கள் சுவைத்து சாப்பிட சிறந்த இடம் பிக் பைட் ரெஸ்டாரண்ட். வந்து பாருங்கள், மீண்டும் மீண்டும் சுவைக்க தூண்டும் பிக் பைட் ரெஸ்டாரண்ட்.
First is awareness. What I am standing and doing is one form of awareness.
On September 10th, you do Suicide Prevention Day. That is a form of awareness. From the grassroots level means I will recommend high schools. From high schools you start doing college levels. At least you people have some orientation in Bharatan. So awareness programs at grassroots level, schools, colleges, institutions and organizations level. So this year's
theme for Suicide Day was creating hope through action. Action means what action?
Next. Restriction of access to
Means the government should have some regulation in dispensing drugs. At home, we parents should put the drugs in some safety box and keep without the reach of the children. These things should be followed. The Harpic, Lysol should be kept somewhere else, or you lock it. Next slide. Media counseling. This is very, very important. So whenever a person dies, media they cover exclusively enge ya brand kodutidru, ya tara eshtu dosage tagondru, enge kudge koikondru. That should not be done. Media should report these things in a responsible way. Instead of telling all the details, you tell ivaga suicide ಮಾಡಿ ಸತ್ತೋದ್ರು, next ಅವ್ರ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿಗೆ ಈ ತರ ಆಗಿ ಅವ್ರು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಆಗಬಾರದು ಅಂತ ಅವರು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ತರ there should be a responsible reporting of media, but it is not so. Suppose a person dies, commits suicide in a railway track, media will show all the head, hands, all the parts they will be showing. So that itself is acting as a role model for others to get committed. So the media should report properly in a responsible way. What I am telling is responsible way. Next. Indirect and direct case finding. I was telling about grassroots levels, schools, high school, you should do some programs. You do some camps. Screen them. Screen them means teacher will be able to identify. You chanagida madam ಒಂದು 1 month ಇಂದ ಒಂದರ ಇದಾನೆ. So identify, pick him, sit and speak to him. You can prevent that. Next is, see, classes of high school and college students about suicide prevention increase students' help-seeking behavior. When you do such things, the students automatically come to you and tell, "Nanige idara problem ide, aatmahatye ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ." Okay. Screening of 13 to 21 old for previous suicidal attempts, reasons, serious suicidal preoccupations, depressions or complications of substance or alcohol use. This should be done at college levels and also high school levels. Next. Gatekeeper training. What is this? See, we have something called as national mental health that should be followed. Next slide. Schools or college factors. This is highlighted everywhere in newspapers. Poor academic performance, failure in exams. So whatever I said in the beginning, after that only these comes. So first thing is humiliation by teachers. Particularly guys, teachers tend to humiliate guys or in ಏನಕ್ಕೂ ಲಾಕಿರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ in waste. Okay, so teachers they should not humiliate like this. Many times cases have been reported that they give case against a teacher. You sirs would have been knowing. Next is poor academic performance. Now this has come very reduced. Only few students, 10 to 20, they tend to commit suicide when they don't excel well in studies. Next, sexual abuse. Next, bullying or ragging model. This is very common when you enter the professional life after PUC, after a degree, to go into either engineering or medical or whatever it is. There, ragging, bullying is very common. Hostel, it is very common. Next, imitation. This is also called as Werther effect or copycat suicide. Sometimes some celebrity commits suicide in a dramatic way. You also get motivated to do so. You also want to become like that. Okay, this is also been prevailing. Next slide. Relationship breakups. Sir was telling examination failure, performance anxiety, but I don't think so. It is thing. What survey tells, what study tells. First thing is relationship. Whatever relationship, girl, boy, whatever. Something happens, some fight happens. They are in a state of acute stress reaction. Acute stress reaction means you are in such a stress that you want to end your life. I want to quote one example here. One famous TV reporter suddenly ended up in suicide in KGF. He was in acute stress reaction. That time you have to intervene in. You can prevent suicide. So relationship problems has become a major issue. Relationship problems, in that some problem comes, they tend to end their life, they go to that extent. So this should be addressed. Whenever there is a relationship problem, most of the time you should sit and talk with your friends or whomever you are close, your teacher, your lecturers or your parents. Then you can intervene. Next slide.